Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make Discord member count bot. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a live member count to your Discord server. And honestly, this is one of those small upgrades that makes your server feel way more official. Like you suddenly run a mini community empire instead of just a group chat with your friends. So I'm inside my server and I head over to the app directory, which is basically Discord's built-in place for finding bots without digging through random websites. I search for server stats. Once I find it, I click Add Application, select my server, and go through the permissions, which always looks a bit scary, but is pretty standard. Then I authorize it and pass the CAPTCHA like I'm proving I'm not a robot for the 100th time today. After it's added, I go back to my server, type /setup, and pick a voice channel where the counter will live. And within a few seconds, it updates into a live member count channel, which is actually pretty cool to watch because it changes as people join or leave. And if it glitches the first time, just run a command again, and it usually fixes itself like nothing happened. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.